What has happened with respect to the MSCI announcing that rejig 9 stocks have been added to the global standard index. None have been deleted. Among that, Suzlon Energy, IndusInd Bank, 197 Communications, which is the parent company among Paytm, are among the 6 others that are part of the latest inclusions. Sriram Velayudhan, who is the head of alternate research at IIFL Securities, joins in to discuss the same. And I just want to get in an overall view from you, just the fact that there have been no stocks that have been deleted from the standard index, and a lot of interesting names, if you will, have been added.
Hi, good morning. So MSCI made the announcement relating to November review early today morning India Standard Time. So as you rightly pointed out, so there aren't any deletions for the forthcoming review. So this purely works on the basis of the methodology that MSCI has put out. So basis that we aren't seeing any deletions in this review. So in terms of additions, the standard index will see 9 additions. The highest of them in terms of impact being Tata Motors DVR, which we are expecting inflows to the tune of $145-150 million, which is a big ADV of almost 13 days, followed by Macrotech and APL Apollo. So these again are high inflow additions in terms of ADV to the tune of almost 10 to 11 days. The other closely followed addition was rather is IndusInd Bank, wherein we have been following the foreign room for the last couple of quarters. Finally, the addition is going to happen in this review. The other additions are Polycap, Paytm, Tata Communications, and Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy is another high-profile addition. It has become relatively liquid lately, although the inflows are to the tune of $240 to $50 million. The ADV impact is 5 days on. In terms of weight up, the significant names are Vedanta, Colgate, and Hindustan Aeronautics, wherein the ADV is to the tune of 1 to 1.5 days. Most of the weight downs are largely funding sell, and we expect the standard reval event to be a net inflow event for India to the tune of $1.2 to $1.25 billion, and the adjustments will take place on 30 November.
Any name which has come as a surprise for you, which you were not expecting should be included, that has got included despite free float and promoter holding?
No. So the list is largely in line with what we had anticipated. In fact, there were a couple of. There was one more name in our radar, Sundaram Finance. We will be rolling it over to the Fed review. Yeah, please.
A bit of a disappointment in terms of Sriram that it didn't get added, but the focus now shifts to the FTSE review, which is lined up on November 17th. Talk to us about what's your expectation in terms of the stock movement there, and which are the stocks that could get the highest amount of inflows/outflows?
Sure. So I would just like to correct what I mentioned was Sundaram Finance, not Sriram. So there wasn't any expectations relating to Sriram Finance in this review. So in case of FTSE will be announcing the results of its quarterly review on Friday, that is a day after tomorrow. So largely your June and December reviews pertain to IPOs and spin-off. We anticipate addition of Mankind Pharma into the All-Cap and All-World Index, and we have extrapolated inflows to the tune of $30 million. If in case Mankind Pharma gets added to the All-World and All-Cap Index.